Hey you guys, so today we're going to be doing a braid out and I'm going to be trying this product from Urban Hydration. This is the honey argan oil and sweet vanilla bean extract healthy and repair style cream. So we're going to be using this product for our braid out. I found this at Marshall's for $3.99 and I thought I would just give it a try today. I did co-wash my hair and I already applied a leave-in. So we're just going to go ahead and start braiding. I have my hair sections already. There's leave-in, conditioner, I don't know what is in my ear but it's some type of hair product. Okay, so we'll divide. Yeah, that's good. So we'll probably do 4 or 5 braids in this back section, and then once we get to the front we'll see how many we need up front. But I typically like to do medium-ish sized braids. I feel like that just works the best on my hair. So yeah, let's just get into it.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think.
Okay, hello, it is the next day, a whole 24 hours later, so my hair should be dry. And we're just going to go in with some oil on our hands and take these braids down. I went to work today with the head wrap on because sometimes that's just what you got to do. So I'm going with this oil and take down these braids. This is a fail, so I don't really know what to do at this point. It's like some parts are fine, but others are just frizzy. It's just, this really isn't the look that I was going for. No, this ain't it, sis. So I think, I don't know. I really don't. I'm gonna have to put it up in some type of puff or ponytail because this just is not the look that I was going for. I think the issue was that it's not fully dry. Like, yeah. See, this is why I need to stick to doing braid outs on dry hair, because starting from wash day, like shampoo, deep condition, when your hair is soaking wet, I just don't have the patience. It's a whole 24 hours later and I don't know. I'm annoyed. Okay. I'm just not sure what to do. I need a moment. Okay, so it's been like 2 minutes and I picked it or whatever, and it's not as bad as I thought. There is frizz, yes. I'm gonna walk away and come back and decide if I want to put it up. But it's not bad. It's not as bad as I thought. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I decided I do like it. Sometimes you just gotta fluff your hair and let it be. Like I said earlier, there is a little bit of frizz, but I guess that's fine. Frizz equals volume, so I'm really not all that mad about it. Yeah, the pick definitely changed my whole attitude, because I was like, girl, is this a fail or not? But yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this braid out. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a